some of our young at heart. And this gentleman, almost 30 years retired, giving extraordinary time to the city of Richmond, and probably seen, a few iterations of Truck 6 get put, into service. But I think today is a unique and special day. One, I look around the room and I see so many of our residents here connected to not only what we're doing today, which is something in the service, but ensuring that you get the service that it might seem like a little bit of an interruption. The greatest part for me about standing here today is seeing the people that actually take their lives. We're here, celebrating